Pisces, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. You can also watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Pisces. And please watch until the end of the video to support my channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for this month of June. Pisces. Messages please for Pisces. Pisces. Merong pag-uusap na magaganap, okay? Decision, a promotion will happen to you. Pisces, pinag-uusapan ka. You will have a meeting with your higher management. Okay, you've done a very good work, good job, excellent job. Pinag-uusapan ka. Okay. There will be a promotion, okay? A change of status sa trabaho ninyo. Nakita ang inyong galing, Pisces, ang inyong hard work, ang inyong leadership. Okay? Yung skills ninyo, nakikita, you are very flexible, magaling ka sa inyong ginagawa. Okay. Meron kayong iniisip, maybe bakasyon. Okay, you will be, kung OFW kayo or nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa, you are thinking about going home. You're thinking about the budget, the planning, okay? Allocation of your money. Iniisip niyo ang inyong pagkakagastusan, okay? Paano ka makapag-provide about sa family ninyo. Maybe for some of you, is going to buy a property. Okay? Bahay at lupa sa inyong province or sa inyong hometown. Iniisip ang kapakanan ng pamilya. Okay? For some of you, someone in your family is needing your attention, your care. Okay? They need your help. Financial help, Pisces. Okay. For some of you, broken-hearted. Merong mga disappointments na nangyari. Yung mga pagbabackbite, pagmanipulate, pagde-deceive, mga pagsisinungaling or dishonesty, okay? You've been through a lot, Pisces, and you feel parang pagod na pagod ka na sa sitwasyon mo, sa buhay mo. That is for some of you. You are still healing, okay? But you know, makakabangon ka uli, Pisces, okay? Gamitin mo yung mga nangyari sa'yo na hindi maganda. Gamitin mo yan to motivate you. Para makabangon ka uli. How you wish na marami kang pera, okay? Nag-iisip ka na mag-iipon ka ng malaki. Mag-iipon. You're thinking about savings. Okay? For some of you, you don't want to give your attention or time to someone anymore na nakasakit sa inyo. Okay? Parang hindi na kayo interesado sa taong yan. Parang nag-iba na yung pagtingin mo sa kanya. Okay? You're not interested anymore. Nawalan ka ng gana. Okay? Merong silent treatment. Parang you don't want to give your power to them anymore. Okay? And now, merong may mag-apologize sa inyo. Okay? Merong may gustong mag-sorry. Okay? Okay, for some of you, kung meron kayong anak, ito yung nagbibigay ng saya sa inyo na lang, nagbibigay ng rason para magpursige uli sa trabaho. Okay? Sa work, nagbibigay sa inyo ng pag-asa, Pisces. You've been through a lot, okay? Pero pero nandyan ka pa din. You're not giving up. Okay? Nagsusumikap para sa pamilya, para sa anak ninyo. Okay? You want to give them a good future. Magandang buhay. Parang kung ano yung ginagawa ninyo, yung sa work ninyo, siguro kung may mga issues or problems, difficulties, tinitiis yun na lang. Okay? Because you're thinking about your family. Don't give up. Okay, Pisces? Kasi everything, merong solusyon sa lahat. Okay? Yung pagsisikap mo, yung hard work mo, magkakaroon ng reward. Okay? Good things can come to those who wait, Pisces. Okay? Take care of yourself also. Bigyan mo rin ng oras at panahon yung sarili mo. Fight for your family. Fight for what you believe in. Okay? Don't give up. Ang goal mo is to have a good life for you and for your family, to provide them well. Ma-provide yung mga kailangan nila. Okay? May mga changes na mangyayari sa inyo. Pwedeng sa mindset, yung paniniwala ninyo. Okay? You are thinking of different things, ways. Okay? How to improve your life. Okay? Minsan, nag-iisip ka kung ano pa yung pwede ninyong gawin. Okay? Okay? You're thinking about a partnership. Okay? You want to better or to improve your relationship. Pwedeng sa marriage to. Okay? Sa partner ninyo or sa family ninyo. You want happiness. You're thinking about how to give them happiness in life and fulfillment. Okay? May mga naisip kang magandang idea, Pisces. May darating na pagbabago, Pisces, okay? Good news and happiness sa family life mo. Okay? Do not let disappointments or pains in the past na bumalik ulit sa'yo para i-discourage ka. Move forward. Keep on moving. Okay? Move forward, Pisces. Very creative ka. Madami kang mga naisip na paraan, na mga enlightenment na pwede ninyong gawin. Maybe for some of you is thinking about a business or partnership. Okay? Makiisa sa partner to provide a solution para sa mga problema ninyo sa bahay or sa family ninyo, for the family, for your children. Okay? Let's see kung ano pa yung mga messages para sa inyo, Pisces. This is good news for you. Na-overcome mo yung mga challenges. Ma-overcome. Yung iba sa inyo na-overcome na, and now you're starting a new or a changed life, kumbaga. Okay? Let's see what are Other messages for Pisces, please. Cobweb, protected from negative forces beyond your control. Okay. Happiness. See? Happiness is important. Pisces, huwag ka mawalan ng pag-asa. Everything will be okay. Okay? Kung merong pangloloko na nangyari sa inyo, you will be able to overcome it. You will have a new perspective in life. Pwede sa trabaho nyo. Mag-iiba ng inyong mindset. Mag-iiba ng inyong prinsipyo. Just keep on moving. Okay? You are protected by the divine. Elephant. A long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. Okay? So, don't give up, Pisces. Kung ano man yung mga nangyayari sa inyo ng mga challenges, that will make you stronger, okay, and wiser. Purse and crown. Pay attention to your finances. Honor and respect will come to you. Okay? For some of you, hinay-hinay lang sa mga pinagkagastusan. Okay? Check your balances. Crown. Honor and respect will come to you. Okay? You will be recognized, Pisces. Maybe there will be a promotion na mangyayari sa inyo. A confirmation sa sinabi ko kanina. Okay? Merong improvement sa life ninyo. Makikilala ang inyong galing. Ram. A stubborn, aggressive person. Maybe you are dealing with a boss. Okay? Na very challenging. Okay? You need to be strong. Don't give up. Pisces. Okay? Let's see ano pa yung mga messages. Pisces. Message for Pisces, please. Pisces. Message for Pisces. Pisces. 55 or 55. Okay, for some of you, yung palaging nakakita ng number 55, ito yung ibig sabihin nito para sa inyo. Substantial change is in your future. Embrace the change and need to overcome your insecurities and let go of your fears. Okay? So, this is a confirmation of your reading, Pisces. Do not give up. Okay? Merong pagbabago, magandang pagbabago na mangyari sa life ninyo. So, that's it. Yun na yung mga mensahe. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Pisces. See you on the next video. Bye!